takes the bottles and he goes, "Warriors, come out to play." Just do it. Just freaking do it. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Jeez. I'm loving it.
Thank you.
Okay, obrigado.
Have a nice day.
Oh my gosh. What's going on, guys? It's Bullseyepulse back again with another video. Right now, I'm in lovely Peniche. This is the marina down here. We are definitely going to love this day today. So I'm in Peniche, Portugal. As you guys know, I'm going to 14 different countries in 3 months in Europe. I've been traveling around the world. I've been Southeast Asia, I've been to Japan. I've been traveling for quite a bit now. Quite a bit indeed. And today we're going to go on a boat tour. We are going to take one of the catamarans here in Peniche, and we're going to be taking it to an island called Berlengas. So Berlengas is an island that's probably, I want to say, on the catamaran they said about 30 minutes or 40 minutes, something like that. But we're going to be taking that catamaran and going to go see Berlengas Island today. Also, who knows what I do every single freaking time I do this, guys. It's an adventure, so I don't even know half the things that I even do, what happens. It's just going to be a good video. So one thing I want to tell you guys though is I'm going to put a little picture right here, but I got stung by a spiderfish while surfing yesterday, and that was absolutely no bueno. That was absolutely terrible. I had a horrible experience for a good hour and a half. It's one of the most poisonous fish here in Europe. So it's spiderfish. I'll probably either clip in right now. I'm in Peniche, Portugal. I mean, look at this beautiful view, right? Absolutely gorgeous. I'm sitting here surfing, enjoying the beautiful waves. And of course, there's always something that happens in life. So right now I stepped on a lovely spiderfish, they're called here in Portugal. Only thing you can do to cure the symptom for the next hour is to put your foot in hot boiling water and just wait out the pain. So this is what I've been doing. Might be able to go surfing later again, but damn, this is pretty brutal. Never ever have I ever stepped on a poisonous fish. So this is the life of me now, guys. This is pretty intense. Just showing you, you know, some things happen in life and it all happens for a reason. So I experienced my very first poisonous fish in my lifetime, so that was pretty intense. So anyways, let's get to the video, guys. I'm at Feeling Berlenga, and just give you guys what we are going to be doing is right here is this lovely island, and I am not going to talk too much about what we're going to do here on this island, but there is going to be a cave, there's going to be a kind of like a fort type of thing going on, and then a lighthouse, and there's just multiple things I do on this island. So costs about 45 euros, so almost like 50 USD. And yeah, this is gonna be quite the day. I was thinking about going snorkeling, but that water is pretty frigid. I was surfing all day yesterday. As you guys know, I got stung by the spiderfish, so yeah, I'm not gonna take my chances in any more cold. But here's our lovely ticket.
There you go.
And obrigado.
The boat will be this one.
Yeah.
The catamaran.
Ow.
It will stop right here in front of us around 9:25, 9:30.
All right.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
This is pretty much my last boat ride, I want to say, in Europe. So this is actually going to be really cool. I'm excited. It said it's about like 30 minutes to get there, and guess what special ticket I got? You want to see? You ready? Yeah, so 10:45, I gotta meet back up and get to the boat to go to the caves. So yeah, this is freaking exciting. I'm so excited. So yeah, let's sit right here. I think yeah, I'm gonna sit in the middle. I'm gonna sit in the middle. Not three. Yeah, I'm gonna sit right here. That's where I want to be. So this is Baptista, guys.
Travel talk to an awful numbers of staff that are spread across the boat. If you can see if you have questions on anything at all.
And there's not going to be really too much to view. It's just going to be not really much of anything, but we'll pretty much catch you guys when I get to this freaking island. It's probably like my last island in Europe for quite a bit, but damn, this is gorgeous to get close. How are you? Good. Loving it.
After you take the picture.
Yeah. Oh man, you can't ruin that for me. You can't do that. You can't do that.
I have to do that. Nobody can see the view. Sorry, my friends.
Pedimos que não voem drones, que não saiam dos caminhos que estão marcados enquanto explorar.
Oh, excuse me. So, I had to run to the bathroom there real quick, but we made it on the island. Here we are. This was the boat. We're here, and immediately, guys, I have to take a boat and go to the caves. I can't even enjoy the island yet. We have to hop on one of these little dinghy boats like that right there. So yeah, let's get on one as soon as possible so I get as much time as I can on this lovely island. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. Look at that.
Invasions, later French invasions, and some pirate raids that will occur here as well. Now the short season on 20 years from May till October.
So we said this was built in the 17th century. It was to defend the Spaniards from coming over and taking over Portugal. But this right here, guys, this is what we've been waiting for, is the caves. That is where we're going. That is so cool. Holy crap. So actually, that was false. So they call that St. John's Baptiste cave. Baptiste. So this is the same fortress that I was telling you about beforehand. So I don't know exactly how long it's going to take for us to get to those damn caves, but looks like, from what I see, should be maybe over here. Probably not. Nope, it's not going to be over there, guys. But this view is really cool.
You guys go to the color of the water. Here the light doesn't get inside there, it must be under the water. So through a process of refraction of the light, it gets a real brightness. If you use your nose to get the picture of the water around the globe, you see that those colors even better, okay? Esse é a maneira que vai combinar a cor da água. E aqui que ela vai diretamente.
That is freaking blue, like I told you. Holy crap. That is gorgeous.
mais alta deles, que é a catedral.
Alright guys, so we made it to the other side right here. That's the highest cliff that is on this island. It is 85 meters. 85 meters high. That is incredible. But damn. You guys just have to come out here and see this. This is just too freaking incredible. Like what I'm seeing right now, even though we're kind of just getting pushed around through it, this little tour, but I would say spend definitely a whole day, not just a half a day here, because there's a lot to do. You can go scuba diving, you can go snorkeling. There is a lot, but it is beautiful, guys. We have made it to the Elephant Rock. As you guys can see its ear and its trunk coming down, and that is pretty much just using your imagination. That's definitely an elephant rock. Way better than those two roosters back in Kappa in Vietnam. That actually looks like an elephant. You could actually definitely see that. So that's another beautiful cliff. Obrigado. That was extremely fast. That was probably about, I want to say, 15 minutes. It was an extra, I think, like 15 euro. So it's up to you guys if you would want to do that or not. I mean, it was cool going through the caves, but that was pretty freaking quick. They just shipped you right along. So anyways, we're at the fort. Look at these people. That's how you walk down here. I'm gonna have to go back up that way. That's gonna be one hell of a climb. But to get inside, it's just €1. They said they take card, so you don't have to bring euro. Cash, euro, cash, euro. But yeah, we're gonna go inside, walk up these steps, and check this baby out. Let's go check it out. But as we're reading one of the boards, it says that the king ordered this to be built. What was that, 1678? Yeah, I think that was 1678. So yeah, that's when they ordered it to be built, and this is it, guys. It's kind of different. It's octagonal shape, so there's a lot of sides to it. Now it's just a restaurant. From defending against the Spaniards to now a restaurant. This is what this is in the 21st century. This is definitely what King John IV definitely wanted this place to be, you know, having its lovely cannon rusting away. But this is just a beautiful country. Portugal is gorgeous. My toe is still freaking hurting. That thing hurts so freaking bad still from that damn freaking spider fish. But I don't give a damn. This is beautiful. Wow. So worth that 50 USD? I think so. Most definitely worth it, guys. On a more bright sunny day, yeah, very good. If you do have a little one, you definitely want to hold their hand because there's no really good guards. I just looked down, just saw that I could definitely mess up. So yeah, if you have a little one, watch out. But damn. Wow. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next clip. Cross over this bridge and go to the top, but I was speaking to one of the guys. He said, hey, you know, go left first, then go right to the lighthouse, and then go back, because I have to be back by 1:30. Sun is now finally coming out, but I'm gonna wait for these last groups of people and then I'm gonna come down. Another thing that he's telling me is that this is the only place in Portugal that has red granite, and yeah, it was pretty weird. All the stuff he was telling me is like cows, milk, cheese, all this random stuff. I don't even know what the guy was telling me, but I wish I filmed it. But we're gonna get down to here and I'm gonna show you guys these fishies. These are huge. Jeez. Wow. Yeah. Definitely snorkeling and scuba diving would be very freaking cool to swim with these fishies. Oh man. Damn. Wow, I just wish it was warmer here, guys. Definitely wish it was warmer. So wow, that is just freaking cool as hell. They're all over. Those people are crazy without a swimsuit. That is nuts. That guy's nuts. Alright. Freaking gorgeous. Just so gorgeous. Okay. Let's go across this bridge. Oh, jeez. Okay. All right. All right. I'm done filming right now. All right, we're done. Whoa! Shit. Oh my gosh. Oh. Yet again, guys, another steps to Mordor. That is pretty crazy. But actually, let me show you the view from here. Hopefully, I don't freaking slip and fall off of this. But look at that. The sun came out to play, guys. Damn, it's pretty freaking hot. Obviously I got my jacket off, and I'm just gonna say, sun came out to play. Finally got some sunlight, making this place look really gorgeous. So I guess it's like almost like that movie Warriors, when he takes the bottles and he goes, "Warriors, come out to play." Yeah, just cinema reference. If you guys haven't seen that movie, it's definitely one of my top favorite movies. Really good. But damn, that is gorgeous. Holy shiza. My goodness gracious. Okay. So, made it pretty up there at the top right there. Before heading to our lighthouse, we're gonna go to the left, like I said. So, hope you guys are enjoying this video. If you guys haven't, hit that like button and hit the subscription, because my travels just keeps going. Who knows what I do next? But damn, that is fabulous. Fabulous. there's only a limited amount of people that are allowed on this island a day, so it's not so congested and full of humans. So it's actually pretty peaceful, we'll say that. And looks like where I'm heading right now, I see everybody leaving. There's 2 people behind me, and other than that, there's not many people at all. So I'll clip you guys in when I get up here. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? What's up, dude? What's up? Wow. All right. So, if you guys recollect, right down here is where we came in, and that is where the highest part of the island is, right there. So now this is from above, from the boat, but this is the beauty, guys. I don't know how well you can hear me, but this place is pretty. They definitely want you to stay on the trail though, because I guess I'm gonna call this spot Bird Shit Hilltop. That is a lot of bird remnants all over this hilltop, guys. Seagull poopy over here. But if you can ignore all the poop, this is damn freaking gorgeous. Ow! Loving it. I'm just loving it. Okay. I'm gonna take maybe a photo or two, ask these people if I get a photo, and then we'll head over to the lighthouse. And here we are, guys, at the lovely Berlengas Lighthouse, officially known as the Duke of Braganza Lighthouse. So yeah, this is a lovely lighthouse right behind me. Whoa, jeez. Oh my gosh, I always fall. Okay, so this was created in 1841. 1841, this puppy was created. Way after the lovely fortress at the very end, guys. So yeah, it's a lot bigger than the lighthouse that we saw in Nazaré. Damn, I just cannot walk today. I almost tripped again. But yeah, 1841 this puppy was created. It's pretty big compared to the one in Nazaré, and probably my last video. But yeah, I think we're probably gonna go to Caias Barro dos Carteris. Yeah, way different. Can't pronounce anything. So we're gonna head down this way, go along this lovely path, and see what else is on this island, because for some reason, I don't know why in my head I thought you could possibly go to the top of the lighthouse. I mean, that would be a really cool view. They could definitely make a lot of money there, extra money. They could probably charge like 10, 15 euro, make more money, but they don't want to do that. They want to let it rust and die and not be used. So, except probably most likely for the lights for the ships. But yeah, this is nothing but gorgeous views, guys. Actually, if I have to go down here later, I'll probably, instead of going down there now, I'm probably just gonna go to here. Probably take this path. Pretty sure it wraps around. Yeah. It's my geography skills, so I'm not using a map. What's up, guys? How y'all doing? You guys liking this? I'm sure you are. Suffering. The toe is definitely killing me. But as you guys saw in the last clip, I didn't know, but you can actually stay on this island. You can camp. You guys probably saw those little tents, right? You can camp here inside the fortress, actually. the hallways are blocked off because you could actually sleep there. So one of the windows were open. There's like bunks. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4. There's like 4-room bunks, 6-room bunks. That was pretty cool, interesting. But if you guys want, you guys probably stay here. It's probably really expensive for Portugal, but we're across from that side of the island to this side. And my goodness gracious, it is gorgeous. Just absolutely gorgeous. Definitely having a good time walking around this damn island. So the next clip, I'm going to show you what the other side looks like without the lighthouse and the fortress and where you get off at the marina. But look at, wow. Oh, another seagull shit hilltop, guys. Oh, okay. There we have it, guys. Island is full of views. I really did not expect to see this today or enjoy this sandwich. Looking out over Berlengas like this. Still have hair past a freckle, so I got like a good solid hour left. And there's a little bit of bird shit, but not as bad as half of these rocks, but damn. Literally the only people that are here is down here, and let me show you. Oh. Nobody's here. So definitely, guys, come down, enjoy this place. I made myself a beautiful sandwich yesterday. And just experience life. Go do it. I'll tell it over and over again. Nike is so right. Just do it. Just freaking do it. Feel good. Jeez. Gosh, I don't know why seagulls are so talkative. Like, that is just crazy. I always wonder what they're talking about. Like, are they talking about like, damn, he is handsome, or damn, that's a hottie that just walked by me? So I don't know. Like, what are they always saying? It's just crazy how much they freaking talk to each other. But yep, I gotta start making my way towards the Z-boat. Right, meow, so I get there on time. I don't know how long this takes. Voila. Yeah, so let's make my way back. What are you saying? Bye-bye, Berlengas. See ya next time. So, anyways, that was absolutely an amazing island. Definitely loved that. Good experience. 100%. Do it again. Loved it, loved it, loved it. So now we're gonna go to Manish. That's gonna be the second part of this video, guys, if you're still watching. We're gonna go hang out over there on the mainland of Portugal. And yeah, that's it for the island life. Oh my gosh, I've been on so many boat rides. Oh geez, past, what is that? What, 7 months? Jeez, I've been going. I have been going. Oh man. But yeah, this thing's pretty rocky, so I'll catch you guys when we're off the boat in the next clip. But damn, that's a beautiful ass island. We made it off. What is this? Fortaleza de Peniche. Okay, so I guess this is the fortress in Peniche. I don't know how far I'm gonna get in with just walking in through here. We'll see. He's probably gonna stop me. Like, we'll probably see right here. I'm just gonna look from here. Okay. But this is the fortress. This gentleman's let me see. You can go buy a ticket, you can go in there. I've been already into one fortress. I'm exhausted. Definitely tired now, guys. Oh, that surfing yesterday killed me. But we're gonna go see maybe some cliffs, something like that. I don't know just yet. Definitely need to probably get food. I didn't just have one of those sandwiches, I had two. So, Chipoy is pretty freaking tired, but I need to see this side of Peniche, or Peniche, however you want to pronounce it. They also have a little Ferris rides right here, you know, for the little kiddos. Supposedly somewhere else they got like bumper cars. Yeah, let's see what else I see in this little town. Okay, well, it's feeling like a ghost town. Big old ghost town, but not when they're having the surf competitions. This is when this place is popping for sure. So, of course, we know when my last video when I was in Nazaré, that's where the world's biggest waves are. But this town, Peniche, P-E-N-I-C-H-E, this town is a big surf town, fishing nets, fishing town, with these little tiny streets that you can barely fit a car. Let's go this way. But yeah, that's a beautiful little place. I mean, they have like a big surf competition that happens here all the time with their waves. I'm pretty sure it happens more in the winter time when their waves are massive. But yeah, this is actually a cute little town. Not too many tiles on the buildings, you know, that we would normally see, but I dig it. I dig that it's quiet. It's like a ghost town right now. There we go. There we go. There's a beautiful building. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. No. Okay. I stumbled upon a cemetery, guys. So this is Peniche Cemetery. I think the last cemetery I was in was Czech Republic. I think I was in Prague, which that was different. That was like a very old cemetery. But I think this one, no, actually I'm wrong. I actually went to one in, what is that? Amsterdam, Brussels, no, Copenhagen. Yeah, Copenhagen. That was the last one I was in. But this one is different. Every single one is different, actually. Of course, this is a little town, but it's still very big. Very big, but just all these churches and cemeteries and different things I see. they're just all very different, very unique in every single country. So yeah, this is huge. But on to the next thing. On to the next thing, guys. I'm gonna walk 25 minutes to the next destination. So this is Peniche. We were down here, right? I walked through the town. Now I want to get to here. I want to go see what I just found, because that freaking looks pretty damn cool. So there's no real good public transportation here. There's no buses. They come so often, like every 2 hours. So if you're here, you want to rent out a vehicle. Also, Uber's pretty cheap. Like for me to get to where here for my stay, which I'm staying at closer to like the beach surfer area, I'm pretty much like over, oh, right here, Malukana Peniche. That's where I'm at, so I'm really close to the beach. Yeah, we're way over here, so I'm just gonna walk it. But yeah, we got about a good solid half an hour walk, so I get to enjoy it. Yeah, let's get there, guys. I'll see you in about next clip, I guess. I've been walking like on the street, and all it is like rock walls all along here. So they have like a bunch of bamboo, and I want to see what this looks like from above. Whoa, there's a wire right there. Okay. Wow. So this is just like fields. Huh. I wonder how that came out, but we are going to be heading this way, guys. There is jack shiitake mushrooms over here, but wow. Yeah, just jack shit. There's nothing over here except me and my boredom, my acquisitive self, just exploring like I always do. Yeah, look at this. This land is your land, this land is my land. From the New York Islands to the seagulls shouting, ba da 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 da. See ya in the next clip, guys, because I'm hella bored. Here we have made it, guys. We have made it to some wild cliffs right here. Huh. Oh man. Well, all right, here we go. Look at this. Oh my gosh. Holy crap, look at that little daredevil. Oh, you go down there? Oh, we're totally going down that. Wow. Up, but let's go over there to those people. That's pretty cool. This is probably how I'm gonna get down this. This is gonna be pretty freaking cool. Okay. Oh my gosh, I did not expect this at all when I woke up this morning. Wow, this must have been right where that little girl was standing. Oh, oh my gosh. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. I'm loving it. We made it to the other side of, I'm just gonna call it the Cabo Lighthouse. It was constructed in 1790. 1790 it was constructed. And damn well that did its job, because these cliffs are pretty freaking bad. I'm sure if a ship would hit that thing would just keep smacking until it just sunk. So very smart to put that thing right there. Looks like we have a concession stand. Peanuts, nuts, banana chips, bread, other special things. But this cliff is definitely pretty rough. So I don't know if we can see over this part. Looks like it's pretty blocked off, but I just saw somebody walk down that, so let's go check that out. Well, it looks like you can walk down to the water. That's pretty cool. My toe hurts, my feet hurt, my calves hurt. I've had enough freaking walking. But anyways, just imagine me guys just taking my little sweet steps down there and then giving you guys a full view of this beautiful ocean and cliffside. So one thing, if you're out here and you do exactly what I do, look for these little fishies right here, and that will help guide you to those viewpoints. But I think the storm might be coming. It looks like that might be rain. And my damn hat is about to fly off my head. So I guess it's the best bet to probably call an Uber and head back. So that's probably what I'm gonna do, because this does not look pretty. How this cloud, that is moving pretty fast. It's moving so damn fast that it just funneled right over to the next cliff, because you know what? That's just pretty badass cloud. That's like a tunnel. What? What? Yeah, my battery ran out, but look at this. What the hell? That is weird. That is like a straight tunnel. That is wild. And look, it's sunny over there. I don't even know this weather. Look at how fast that's moving. What in the world? Damn. If you think that's pretty cool, you let me know, because that is wild. It's just like a straight tunnel. What the heck? All right, that's like a weird phenomenon, I would say. That is just crazy. Okay, wow, that shows how quick that freaking cloud was moving, because I changed that battery pretty damn fast. That is weird. I thought that was gonna be a rain just like pouring down on me any second. I'm gonna start walking down the coastline a little bit more and see if I can see anything else, but damn, that is crazy how fast that's moving. gosh. Okay, catch a little bit of vertigo. I think that's good enough for me. But damn, guys. That is beautiful. I mean, you can see Berlengas way back there. I'll zoom in. All right, I'm gonna get back, take an Uber. This is too freaking cool. Yeah, back pretty much at my stay. This is where I'm staying at right now. It's called Malacuna Peniche. It's got like a little skateboard ramp. It's got a little tiny pool. It's a pretty cool spot. It's about a 15-minute walk from the ocean. They got a restaurant. It's pretty nice. Right on a bicycle lane. I can take you all the way down to Forte or the beach with your surfboard. But anyways, guys, that's it for the video. That was quite the day. We went to an absolutely amazing, beautiful island. Can't ask for anything more than that. Oh, that's right. No, we did see more. We saw a crazy cliff. Absolutely gorgeous cliffside. We didn't see any churches today, but we did see a lot of shit. Shiza. Anything you want to say. A lot of stuff happened. So anyways, I definitely would give a big A+ to this area. Absolutely beautiful. Definitely watch out for spiderfish. You don't want to get stung by one of those. And yeah, just come down here, guys. It's absolutely beautiful. Good time. Kick-ass people. And yeah, I guess I'll probably see you guys in the next video. Peace.